To pair the LooK watch with your phone and sync your contacts, first enable Bluetooth in the LooK watch by selecting Settings, Connect, Bluetooth, and switch it on. To rename our device, press the Rename button. And type in your name. Now our LooK watch is ready for pairing. Now we are going to enable Bluetooth on the phone. To do this, click Settings, select Bluetooth, and switch Bluetooth on. Our LooK test shows up in the Bluetooth menu. Now we are going to pair the LooK watch with the iPhone. On the LooK watch, select the iPhone, and a pairing request appears. Make sure that both numbers match and select Pair on both devices. Select the LooK test and it will become connected. The LooK watch is now connected with the iPhone. In order to share our contacts with the LooK watch, go to the Contacts menu by pressing the power button. Go to Contacts. Select the bottom menu button. Select Synchronize Contacts. Select Choose. Select the iPhone. And now select Synchronize. If we select back, we see that we have no contacts. Now that we have no contacts, what we need to do is enable the Share Contacts privileges on our phone for the contact sync function to work. We're going to select the small blue icon on our phone. We're going to select the Sync Contacts switch, and we're going to verify that all contacts are enabled. On the LooK watch, we're going to return to the main menu, go to Bluetooth Call, swipe right to left 3 times, and verify that the iPhone is connected. If it's not connected, we select it and press Connect. We're going to return to the main menu and go back to Contacts. Now that the Share Contacts privileges on the iPhone are enabled and the LooK watch shows connected under Bluetooth Call, we can now sync our contacts. We're going to press the Contacts menu, Synchronize Contacts, choose the iPhone, and then press Synchronize. contacts have been imported successfully. If we select back, we can see the contacts have now been imported. To make a Bluetooth call, we're going to return to the main menu. We're going to select Bluetooth call. We're going to go back to the dial pad, and we're going to dial a number.